look at these, our keywords and phrases. So let's think about what words are associated with addition. Okay, we've got words like sum, right? That's the end result of two things being added together, right? The total, if we want the total of stuff, we would want to use addition. We've got plus, if you say like 5 plus 2, right, 7. Increased by, this one can be confusing because a lot of times we think it might be multiplication. Increased by, right? More than, we got 5 more than 2, more than, 5 more than 2 is 7, right? So those are the main words we think of when we think addition, right? So now, what about what words mean subtraction? Let's think about this. Difference, right? Difference. F-E-R. Difference. Okay, minus. You can have 5 minus 2, right, is 3. Minus. Decreased by. So when we're increasing, we were adding. When we decrease, we're subtracting. Decreased by, right? And then we have less than. Okay, so we have more than, we're adding. If we have less than, we're subtracting. Okay. Remember, when we're talking about subtraction, it's important to think about the order, right? The order that which one are we subtracting first. But that's something that you just have to, with more practice, you'll recognize, right? So more than, and then subtracted from, right? Subtracted from. Okay, so those would be our subtraction words. So what about multiplication? What words mean that we need to multiply? That would be times, right? Times. Product of, twice, double, or triple. If you're doubling, you're multiplying by 2. Triple, multiplying by 3. Okay, and then division. Let's think. Quotient. Right, quotient. Separate, you'll be dividing both. So use divided by, and then if you're going to half something, that would be divided by 2, or third something, you would divide by 3, right? So in the next video, we'll do some examples where we use these words, but I just want us to really get used to using these different words to represent the different operations in algebra. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute to talk about translating expressions back and forth from verbal to mathematical. So, and then from mathematical to verbal. So we go from verbal to mathematical. I'm just gonna write math, and then from mathematical to verbal. And this is a really important concept for us, especially as we start to do more word problems and things like that. So the first thing we need to look at, right, to be able to do this is what words mean what symbols in algebra, right? So we're going to go to different